Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to DBMS. Today I want to see the topic called exist and non-exist subqueries in SQL, part number 6. So when you like the channel, please subscribe and share your friends. Let's go for session with a simple example. So SQL where exists. So one of the query here and also used to test, helpful to test if a subquery returns any record or not. And also it returns if the subquery returns one or more records, what will happen like that? Then it's commonly used with correlated syntax. How the syntax will play? For SQL where this is the syntax like select column names from table name where exist, then we can give in the bracket select column name from table name where conditional. Let's go for a simple example. Let's assume that we have a customer table where with orders where select the order over $5,000. So you can give the command like select from customer where exist select ID from order where customer ID is equal to customer.id and the total amount greater than 5,000. So when you give the command based on the SQL table, it will fetch the data and print like so. Results it prints the 15 records. Let's like ID number 7, first name, last name, city, country, phone number, similarly and so on and so on. Continuation. So let's go for not existing. It's quite opposite to the exist one. Here it always is there is a great subquery to effect and here column always used to choose the number of columns from the table and source one or more tables present in the database and subquery here we have to provide subquery and if the subquery returns the true then it will return the records, otherwise it does not return any records also. Let's see the simple example. Let's consider we want to select all the students who have no grade lower than 9. That means the students who are getting more than 9 grade. So you can use not exist which negates the logic of the exist operator to match a student's record that have no associated student grade with a value lower than 9. We can run the following query. Select ID, first name, last name from the student and continuation here where not exist select one from student grade where student grade underscore grade dot student id is equal to student dot id and student underscore grade dot grade greater than 9. Observe clearly, then order by id. So when I run the query, what will happen? You can see the information like id first name last name. Let's assume that we have a table of student with and the student table. Assume that we have a grade like this only. All the information like id first name last name and grade also. So this is about exist and not exist. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.